The question of whether or not Narwal Freo X Ultra is worth it comes down to how you approach time. I measured how long it takes me to vacuum and mop my own home, and even with the simplest of solutions, it was about 40 minutes. That's almost a work week of time over a year, and in comparison, Narwal took just 20 minutes to set up and about 5 minutes a month for maintenance. After that, it really does the job itself. You can schedule this so that it fits into your lifestyle, and it integrates with Siri shortcuts as well as Amazon's voice assistant. So you can run it using those systems. But the advanced scheduling tool makes this behave exactly as you want and to do the cleaning you want on the days and times you're after. It essentially becomes a set and forget device, and it will remind you when it needs some maintenance done, but the maintenance timelines are really good. And the most you will do in any given month is empty the dirty water bin and fill up the fresh water bin. Every couple of months, you'll empty the dust compartment, and every few months, you'll buy a new detergent. Otherwise, you're just gonna come home to a very clean home, and to me, that is worth the price of admission. It also eliminates jobs like hair getting caught in the brush and having to clean or maintain the mops. So to me, this one is worth it. It's not an inexpensive product, but the time commitment with doing things myself, or the fact that many other robot vacuums take a lot more work to maintain or just don't do their job as well as this. It makes this make a lot of sense to me, and it is my favorite robot vacuum and mop combo unit to date.